We're here with Trimble's all-new R12i GNSS receiver. The R12i incorporates a whole new technology from Trimble called TIP technology. Now what TIP stands for is Trimble Inertial Platform. This platform provides inertial-based tilt compensation positioning. What this means is that the receiver is constantly calculating the tip position of the survey rod. We can now take tilted measurements. The R12i also harnesses a new technology from Trimble called the ProPoint engine. In the real world, that means that we can get into positions that we haven't been able to get into before. We can get shots closer to buildings in harsher environments such as under or near trees, giving us faster and more reliable positions. The R12i receiver is supported on the latest versions of Trimble Access, which can operate on the TSC7 and Trimble's tablets such as the T10 and T7. It's also supported on the TDC600 Android platform. The R12i is available today. Contact your local Trimble distributor if you want a demo or if you're ready to buy.